What is the square root of 64? To help us calculate the square root of 64, I brought you the definition of a square root. Look, the square root of a will be equal to b if, and only if, b squared is equal to the value of a, that is, equal to the value inside the root. What does that mean? You need to identify which number, when multiplied by itself, results in the value inside the square root. In our exercise here, that's 64. What value do I multiply by itself to get 64 as the result? That number is 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. Simply put, 8 squared is equal to 64. So, the number 8 is the value of the square root of 64. Therefore, the square root of 64 is 8. So, in a simple way, we calculated it here just by applying the definition of the square root. Alright, students, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video, which I'm leaving here at the end for you to watch. Big hug to you all and God bless.